Kia ora tātou, hello everybody, I'm Nicky Knight, I'm a Director of the Education Group. I'm delighted to be co-facilitating a workshop with Sarah Allen, who's Principal of River Hills Primary School, entitled Artificial Intelligence, Making a Difference to Teaching and Learning. We're all hearing about artificial intelligence, but what does it look like in a New Zealand classroom? In this full-day interactive workshop, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is already shaping the way teachers plan, assess and engage learners. Together, we'll move beyond the buzzwords to explore how AI can genuinely save teachers time, spark creativity and personalised learning for every student. This workshop is designed for primary and intermediate teachers and middle leaders who want to understand how AI can enhance teaching practice and student learning in authentic, ethical and meaningful ways. We'll explore practical tools such as Curapod, School AI, Brisk, Snorkel, Napkin AI and Notebook LM.
Hello, I'm Sarah Allen, Principal at River Hills School. We've been using AI at River Hills School since the start of 2025. Really, we've had a lot of conversations about what we believe about AI, and that has really helped us to focus on how we use AI and for what purpose. With teaching and learning, we've tried to search for tools that we think will really make a difference for our students, tools that will have them engaged, able to talk about their learning and really generating some great thinking from our students. During our day, I'll be happy to share with you the way that we've been using AI here at River Hills School to make a difference for our teachers and for our learners. You'll get the opportunity to go into classrooms and see some classes using AI with students and to talk with some of the teachers and the team here at River Hills.
Whether you're just starting out or already experimenting with AI, this session will help you make informed, ethical and purposeful choices about its use in education. Find details of this workshop on our website www.educationgroup.co.nz.